Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down appliance fixes in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're diving into the Whirlpool range error code F9E0, a frustrating issue that can pop up on your oven and leave you scratching your head. If you're dealing with this in 2025 or beyond, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First off, what exactly does the F9E0 error code mean? On your Whirlpool range, this code typically signals a problem with the door lock mechanism. It's the oven's way of saying, hey, something's not right with my door. This could happen during self-cleaning cycles or when the oven is trying to lock for safety reasons. Don't panic. It's often fixable with a few basic troubleshooting steps. Now, let's talk about the common causes. The F9E0 error is usually triggered by a faulty door lock motor, a misaligned oven door, or issues with the door switch. Sometimes, it's as simple as built-up debris or residue preventing the door from sealing properly. In rarer cases, it might point to wiring problems or a malfunctioning control board. Identifying the root cause is key to getting your range back up and running. Alright, onto the solutions. Start with the easiest fix. Perform a reset. Unplug your Whirlpool range from the wall outlet for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in. This can clear temporary glitches and might resolve the error right away. If that doesn't work, inspect the oven door. Make sure it's closing smoothly and that there are no obstructions. Gently clean the door seals and check for any visible damage. If the problem persists, you'll need to dig a little deeper. Try running a diagnostic test if your model has that feature. Check your user manual for instructions. For more advanced fixes, like replacing the door lock assembly, you might need to order parts from Whirlpool's website. Always prioritize safety. Turn off the power and wear protective gloves if you're handling internal components. In summary, fixing the F9E0 error code involves resetting your appliance, checking the door alignment, and possibly replacing parts. If you're not comfortable with these steps or if the issue continues, it's time to call in a professional technician to avoid any risks. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more appliance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay safe and happy fixing.